Zamboangueños for the Transformation of Zamboanga. Who belongs to all parties. The opposition here, as seen by all, ABP from Zamboanga del Norte, LP. If the LP would like to join they're welcome. Because then we welcome not as a party, as an individual Zamboangueño, as a Zamboangueño. And abri kami mga centers, and I hope media will help us announce this, that we are opening many centers as many as possible all over Zamboanga and all the barangays. Now, quienes sa Zamboangueño quieren improve Zamboanga, join us, and traya firma tu, pone tu nombre, pone tu address, and find out if you could pay for a button. Tiene kami button na grande na lahat ng mga ganito, pero bueno, el logo taya, pwede ito sa Punese. Pero you have to contribute either 10 pesos or 100 pesos or 1,000 siniguto. Kung saan ito pwede man afford, pwede kita. So, ako sa napili kami, nasa mga Zamboangueños, si Gary Gani man convert sa Zamboanga, restore sa Zamboanga to its past glory. Ayun na CPS. Zamboangueños for the transformation of Zamboanga. Who are they? We are only leading. Este mga incumbent kong councilors dito. Este mga opisyal ng Zamboanga City, sila Manix. Ayun lang sila as a Zamboanga. Let's forget first politics. Now, because it's up to the people now to select who are those sincerely for the transformation of Zamboanga. If these people belongs to this candidate, they want to run, like myself, I will lead this group to transform Zamboanga, then let the people decide. Because they want Zamboanga to be transformed. They want Zamboanga to restore Zamboanga in its past splendor and glory. What are those? It's listed. It's only not billboard. It will be in the 1 pages or 2 pages in the local newspaper several times until election time, so that everybody shall know. They will understand what we're doing. Now, whoever in the Zamboangueño that likes to contribute, please, you're welcome. But you go to our headquarters. No backroom dealings. Visita enfrente, Senado, Punese. This is for the transformation of Zamboanga. We'll be transparent. We'll have this explained later. Passport, publish where this money will be going. But we are really going properly. We will not use all of this because we don't intend to buy votes. We will not allow buying of votes. I must admit we are doing that in Zamboanga del Norte. But it is really our decision here. We will not buy votes. It will really be de corazón. Amor se paga. No, ese amor kita tapili. Ese paga, no usah paga. Basta diato tapili kita ng amor para mag-transform Zamboanga into what it should really be. So, that's it. That's more or less. Answer. Anyway, preparado yung kita. Salamat. Si quieren natin pa mga question, pwede. We're open for narito mo dito.
Yes, gracias, Sir Nonong Alonsos. Nasudsera di su Nacimiento, leading the Zamboangueños for the transformation of Zamboanga. Principio kita dito na informal press con, kumatabla si Sir Nonong. The first question to be asked by Al Habshi of Wild FM.
Buenos días contigo, sir.
Buenas.
We have heard you talking about platforms. We saw you, your action that will indeed believe us, to lead to believe us that you are running. But we want categorical words from you, whether indeed 2013 you're running for mayor.
Pwede ba din lang your city say, tapos nakita ko ito Korea na. Yeah, baba. Anyway, you've been waiting for so long for this. I know some of my friends in media now. including the Colonel here. Nisita rin pananaw sa Secretary. That's what they've been asking for. So, lamentably, why this is the last race to come? Because even Pagadian was not even early. But Zamboanga mas sayo pa yung Zamboanga, mas early yung Zamboanga City. Yan, Urayal, Zamboanga, El Pagadian, Kamayama. Now, I'd like to really use today, in front of all my few friends from media here, and some friends, especially the member of the council who are also here, that we are definitely running for mayor. I hope my mother will be happy. Because believe me, she was the epitome of the feeling of Zamboangueños. When she heard that I wanted to back out, and she heard that I didn't want to run because I have other responsibilities, she cried. And she told us that there are many her neighbors now who will be throwing stones at them. That bad, sabi ko, not really. Ganon daw talaga. So, I really have to reconsider. And I thought again, seriously, Manix has always been in my back also. Really asking me to make a decision. He didn't force me. He really was interested that I make the decision. They can also make the moves. And I committed to him doon mismo sa birthday ni Era. Because we attended the birthday of Era. Yes, a week ago in Manila. And, he did. Right there and then, I signed a document. There was a document he was bringing with him. I will not mention what, because it will put other people in hot water, in bad light. So. But he was bringing an official document with him. I signed it. And that was the first sign that I was officially running. And it's to him and his companion who was with him from Zamboanga City. I already committed in my own signature that I will run for mayor in Zamboanga City. Now, it's a public formal announcement. I am indeed running. And am I qualified? Well, my term will be approved to it. It's a little erased. But I came somewhere that make me the official voter of Zamboanga City that should qualify me to be a candidate in Zamboanga City for me. Yes.
Yes. One follow-up question from Al. Then before we proceed to the other.
Sir, follow-up lang. With your announcement, do the Zamboangueños expect you to see more often in Zamboanga City? Or permanently in Zamboanga City?
It's more nearer permanent than often. Because I have a house here, the ancestral house where my mother lives, and I'm sharing it with her since before and now. But I also bought a lot, which I intend to construct my own residence, my own house in Mercedes. So right now we're at Tituan with my mother and some of my relatives. But I will build one for myself and my own personal one. In Mercedes, my own house.
Si Gamay procedes in the order that was according sa mga din natin. No? So after Al, we go to ladies first, siguro. From ABS-CBN, Ms. Jewel Mendoza Reyes.
Thank you. Sir, buenas. I'm Jewel from ABS-CBN.
Buenas.
As much as your platforms are very inspiring, the City of Flowers, the regaining of that particular name, but I would like to know the basis of that, sir, since Zamboanga del Norte was called once as the poorest province in the country a few years ago. How would you be able to realize all those plans, if ever, whenever you would have the opportunity to sit at the City Hall? Thank you.
Bata pa siguro to. Sabi ni City of Flowers, mga biyo yan. Mga dibiyo. Mga ka-age dibiyo, hitaro. Pero de veras, in fact, I was one of those. I was very young when I heard this word from the radio station, the City of Flowers. And I used that because I became the president of Las Villas Sasamas in Cebu. This is for Zamboangueños studying in Cebu in San Carlos. And we formed Las Villas Sasamas. And I was the head of Las Villas Sasamas. that's where we debated about the city flowers. So like you, I also asked that because I didn't stay too long in Zamboanga. I was already studying together with Zamboangueños and residents of Cebu. I could not recall how this started, but I do recall that there are many houses with bougainvillea. Even our own house in the porch, because uso yung casa. I don't know, do you use it yung mga ano?
Si.
Uso yung casa ng chine veranda. Tapos chine mga paso. Almost all the paso are bougainvilleas. Kasi mo dito bisita, sila ito chine bougainvillea casa. Tabla gani yung nila, parang ang flores na masindi gani all the time of the year. Sabi si Joke, nausa daw sila. Miyaw. Sila de Brasan. Miyaw daw. El miyaw din na de noche, tapunin na nila ng kursa. Ang aga de noche, tausa sila. Rikuhi sila. Tapos sa laga, tausa sila para Amo kasi, ako sa tayo, ako na yun, all houses has bougainvillea. And because of that, I think they called Zamboanga City as a city of flowers. Meaning, literally, Zamboanga City was a city of flowers. Not about economy, not about... so it's just that literally, the houses, most of the houses, Zamboangueños for that matter, mahilig sa flowers, orchids and all others, but the most prominent is the bougainvillea.
Pero sir, pag pinaya po justifika, dito yung mga platforms.
Sí, gracias también.
Sí, por causa de aquel, habla sila, el Zamboanga del Norte, and one of the poorest, if not the poorest.
Siguro, hindi man yun ang governor na Zamboanga del Norte. Pero I can tell you about Dapitan. I don't have to explain because I think most of the Zamboangueño went to Dapitan, where my brother was the mayor and I was a consultant, a 1 peso a year consultant to the mayor in Zamboanga City. And look what's Dapitan now. Can it be regarded as the poorest in the country? Where we have the only theme park, biggest or even bigger than Manila. So, and the Cockpit Resort, and many more that you could see. The government center now, which is the most beautiful government center in the Philippines. That is Dapitan City. Now, you judge me by that, not by Zamboanga del Norte. Now, your question was, how can I do it in Zamboanga City? I think Zamboanga City is blessed with resources. Not only that you have a high ERA allotment, you have a high local tax, which is not even half of what is supposed to be. I think if you only exert a little more effort, add another 10% only, you will be adding millions of pesos in the coffer. I'm sure the Zamboangueños, especially those that can afford, will not begrudge us this new group if we ask that more taxes in the right places from the right source be added as spendable resources funds for the city. I don't know if I'm correct, but the ERA hits more than 2 billion. 1.6 billion plus local taxes. You're talking of more than 2 billion a year. 2.2. No, I don't even have to tap that 3 billion. Yan ang 2 billion. Yan ang ERA. 1 billion lang. Can you count? Ako, I cannot count 1 billion. 1 billion lang. When you start a project naman, you don't have to have all the money. You can start with this phase 1, phase 2. For you to be able to contract this legally, just break this down into phase 1. We are going to be here 3 years, if ever. So, tanaw na ito ang kwarta po na year, ito na ito allocate sa mga project. Phase 1. And then second, phase 2. It's coming. So, and then this thing na ba, you can, it gains for itself. Money begets money. If you have 1 billion, I'm sure you can really gain back 2 or 3 billion. So that thing, before the 3 years is over, you will have enough funds to really come out to the city. I would say, not too ambitious, a city like Singapore, as far as facilities are concerned. Gracias.
Thank you, Ms. Joel. Now we proceed with Mr. Jimmy Villaflores of Parliament, then TV11, Mr. Ronnie Ledo. We have one question and one follow-up question.
Let's condition the microphone. Okay. I like that City of Flowers because my family name is Villa Flores. Usa ka Bisaya, nanapo sa Zamboanga, pero sa Ginoo na imong media. Idalagang kadua, may swerte kayo ay kwarta ko no. But anyway, I'm Jimmy Villa Flores of RMN Zamboanga and
Pero ka na mo dagan, o ay kung taparta ron.
Bot lang. I am the writer of a correspondent of DCT, the Daily Zamboanga Time. At I don't know kung kinsa ang nagpaani nimo karong adlaw, but very timely. Yes. Benito Key, very timely, making some announcement, but very special announcement at that you're running for mayor 2013. Because today, I'd like to inform you, kay ito, timing yung biniki, kahit kumpleanyo di Ma'am Kaling Lobregat. Diya di Ma'am Kaling.
You know, my hair is...
Yan timing.
It's goosebumps.
Tinig consigo kanya biniki.
I'm sorry, Kaling. May your soul be blessed forever.
Por eso gani, bin timing and to your announcement is espera el Ciudad de Zamboanga. Yeah, bin amigo vosotros. Okay.
Amigo automatically.
Okay, tamang kwento to that tinig to plano tu you are going to put up the STO Zamboangueños for transformation of Zamboanga. Uno de mga requirements for you to be able to be qualified, syempre, de cuánto to yaman transfer dito yung residency and registration of voters for the information of the public. Eh yun nasabi pa yun. Because una sa mga requiremento, you have to be a resident of Zamboanga City at least 1 anyo antes the election. A specific barangay, kaya isko ito para kita to on residente.
Sabi you how they treat me, but it's more like a new registrant. That's how, because they research that they will not just accept a registrant unless global registration. SOP nila yan to really go into the computer and look over all centers all over the Philippines so that there won't be double registration. Yamira sila, pwede yo as a new registrant.
Kaya pwede ato man, si Juan Dalce.
Araw lang aga.
Ay, si aga lang. Yung mag-tribute na naman sa kanya.
Pili lang ka nung Chines Lalitato.
Okay, so, esa lang, kay sabi mga uban din namin Jeff Bocher, pinunta contigo. Kasi lang kami klaro kay este dia, after to you, yaman, ano ito na kumalik, i-aura, yan siya ito na
Gracias, hey, I'm very happy with that it coincides with Kaling.
Yes,
Because Kaling was one of my closest, very close. I have met Kaling a lot of times. I have not met Celso yet. I met Celso later. But Kaling, hunto kami na Congress. And Elia, yan din kami yun, in Paris Cucino ni Tato said, when I delivered the privilege speech, bueno ka na ito, bueno rin mo na. She stood up and met me in the middle of our plenary hall.
Gracias.
Thank you. Thank you, Jimmy. Now we proceed with Mr. Ron Lieto of TV11, then after Ronnie, si Miss Marie.
Buenos días, señor Romy Alosos, y bienvenidos a tu lugar de nacimiento.
Buenas.
Una pregunta, claro que la gobierno de Stamprin, que ya registra una comisionado de elección como votante aquí en la ciudad de Zamboanga. Y ya anuncia tanto de tu intención para correr como alcalde del pueblo de Zamboanga. Sabio que largo tiempo te estudias tú, además antes no quiere ganito te anunciar que si correcto o hindi, antes de tener el survey, hay que tratar de soportar con tu candidatura. Quiero que te pregunta contigo, sir, si religaya ba el resultado de este survey, por eso está anunciado ahora, que está asegurado la votación para contigo, para el alcalde. Y el segundo pregunta mío, ¿tiene ba tú mga line-up ahora, siendo kita miembro de la oposición, ¿quién aquí el corre junto contigo y quién el corre como vicealcalde de tuyo para el pueblo de Zamboanga?
beat them. You beat them ahead. Anyway, as far as service concerned, klaro na positive. Ngayon, I will never ever reach this point in Geneva Luna. No? Exhausted dahil nila survey, yan po ko sa klase, putante ko sa klase, Kenny Kanaton, viejo ba, bata ba, professional, economic level, and sila kompleto yun. Ang walang magkikiri. Pero sabi ko, on the weak, on the strong. Compared sa two district, I'm both strong in both district. Compared sa akin na first district, Maltapal de Minombre. The second district, overwhelming. Talagang runaway. Overall, granted na ito proyekto. That's why, even looking at that, there are some who are really on, all for us, there are some who are not. Pero, very negligible. The bottom line is, I will be blaming myself if I will not really answer the call. Unya, it will come out na it was really necessary that I come. So I must. Because of that, we decided. We have, in short, positive and result of that survey. Both formal and informal. Now, the second one is the lineup. Toipa, kaya araw pa matita man ang roadshow. So, takin man sila, sinipamagtas mo na otro namin, kay as I said, we're not going to follow the line of opposition. It's not a group of opposition. The opposition with me, we join force now, the APP and the opposition, and some others, even non-politically, a concerned group who are really sincerely for the transformation of Zamboanga. So, Abel, we will go through a process and select who is going to be their candidate. Obviously, I also would like to be reselected again to head this group. I really would like to ask them. And then who will be the second in command? Who will be the members of the council? So it will be a process that we'll go through. And it will start today. So whether we mahuman kami karong adlaw or hindi, we will announce, sigurado, we will tell the press. But it will go through a process and open the Amon selection process, including non-elected, including ordinary citizen. Basta may interesado for the transformation of Zamboanga. He has a real interest by heart. The interest of Zamboanga City, then we will consider. That's the only qualification. You don't have to be in a position, you don't have to be mayor, vice mayor, or councilor. Most important is, by heart, you are really interested in the transformation of restoring all of those that we mentioned earlier back to Zamboanga City. Those are the people that will. And of course, number one, receive sila additional obligation na hindi lang legislative na nilang trabaho. We're talking of the vice mayor and the councilors. They have to should really be very clear na hindi lang legislative nilang trabaho. Receive sila assignments na pwede sila ayuda na mga project, kasi grande project, kasi 10 projects grande. Dali kita uno grande kung councilor. Sinisuyo, pet project suyo. Hindi ka sinisuyo siya. So, pwede kami kaba in 3 years, then he can run them. And talking about this, kasi pwede sila man-achieve with the support of the people and with the support of the funds of the city. Now, everybody will have a legacy. And it can only be done that way. It cannot be done by one person. Pwede kita kinaki mga 10 years that it can happen. But we don't want it. We want it to happen within 3 years. And all of these members of council who will be asked to be elected and will be elected will be working for that. And by that is not only a legislative work they're accepting. They will be accepting assignments of big projects that they are the only one to be in charge until it's considered.
Sir, can I use the ZTZ or Zamboanga for the transformation of Zamboanga? Zamboangueños for the transformation of Zamboanga. Este ba el que da el mantik, el political personality, el crédito del partido aquí?
Sí, ese grupo, ese nombre. Zamboangueños for this transformation of Zamboanga. Now kami, group of Zamboangueños. Now mucho, hopefully, I'm praying that more Zamboangueño, an enlightened Zamboangueño, should really enroll, should really go to our centers and write down. We're asking everyone not to be a 20-seater now. We have an obligation. Kita todo, obligado kita na entra kita. Hindi pwede mas standby lang kita na on corner and mira kita yung mga politician ta assistant. Hindi na, iato niya sa todo, ayuda kita, pwede ganit, si Talia kita, siniya takorel mga project, tayo sila mismo. Sila mismo, depende where it is, participates physically.
Yes, Ms. Marifi Tamayo.
Sir,
Please, the microphone. Then after Marife, si Mr. Philip Aton, RPM.
Sir, good morning. I'm Marifi Tamayo from TV11. Kailan lang yung sabi, si ko sabagat, what made you decide to really run for mayor in Zamboanga City? Siya na lang ba convince kung ligo or personal decision as to you? And my follow-up question is, hindi ba ito naman alangan yung bangga ko ng mga Lobregat considering ka-establish sila at ng Zamboanga City?
First, no hay un gente influential enough to force me to make a decision like this. This is a hard job to accept, to run for mayor in Zamboanga City. Of course, there's one influential person in my life, which is my mother, because my father died already, buried in Zamboanga. So only my mother have a very strong influence in my final decision. As I've explained earlier, why I had a intention niya kayo, wali ang mga amigo dato na hindi na yun entra sa box. It was my mother that went back there and convinced me to at least di suyo neighbor, di suyo amiga, di suyo kauban na madyong, na madyong sila taplap na naraping up na sila matapwento pirmi. So, yan i-consider yun. At mirayatan niyo na itong problema. Pwede magtasese. Now, again, I will tell you why the others have to go with me. I look at it, I cannot do it alone. But if the councilors, the people that we will select, and you will select, ayuda ka naton, they will accept projects, pwede task. Then, pwede you ascend. I can be a difference. If I will just come here for a position, for a nice office for them, I have a nicer office, a nicer city hall in the Capital City. But it's not that. We don't even want to look at the office. We want to look at the problem of Zamboanga. Can we solve it? Can we do something? Yabihan kita tebet mucho. Now, si ayuda sila kumigo, mga elected councilors, the vice mayor, na mas pwede kayo. Now, because of that, on that basis, I decided to run. So that's the one that influenced me to make my decision today. Now, as far as being afraid to run against the Brigades, I don't think there's any person that's formidable enough to stop the people. Now, the voice of the people will be very strong against anyone. There's no personality, even outside Philippines, that can be a strength or a big one to stop anybody with well intentions. So, I don't believe that word strong. They are in position, yes. Now, si Conversa siya that kita, si Cesar, o si Celso, si Celso ni Makore, Mayor, pwede naman ni Kore, pero Twitter. So, hindi ka si Celso dito, kontra, ni kontra. Now, a decision ni Amon, hindi man para mang kontra, in powerful politician. A decision ni Amon, yung mga hente, kire ba kita? Este kire kami ase. Si kire ba kita asiste? Si kire kita, ronto kita. Sino kire, busca kita politician. Hindi kami ang politika, hindi as politician. Si kire ka mo politician, busca ka na otro, kami hindi politician. Kire ka trabaho sa asin. Si entra ka mo, lontra kita ko sa S, tapos swerte kita, manong ko kita. Disita, ayuda din sila. Ayuda sila na nagana kita, ayuda din sila akabar. So, amo man diyaton sa atuntahan. Gracias.
Yes, Mr. Philip Abuyo, RTN. Then Mr. Jerry Acuño.
Buenas, Mr. Buenas, Mr. Buenas.